A new law coming soon here in California involves employers being transparent to prospective workers about how much money they can be paid if they get the job. News Channel 3's Jake Ingrassia has more on the brand new pay transparency law taking effect on the 1st of next year. Jake?
Yeah, and Peter, under California's new pay transparency laws, businesses with more than 15 employees must now include a pay scale with any job postings. A local employment attorney tells me that it's all aimed at increasing equity. Soon, when job seekers log on to search for open positions, they might see something new, a potential pay range for salaries associated with that job.
Employers who have 15 or more employees must advertise the pay range or the pay scale with every advertisement for a new job. They also must provide that to every applicant for a job.
Karen Sloat is a Palm Desert-based labor and employment attorney. She says SB 1162, California's new pay transparency law, is aimed at closing the wage gap for women and workers of color.
In California, women are still paid 88 cents for every dollar a man makes. Nationwide, women are paid 82 cents for every dollar that a man makes. And those differences are exacerbated when we talk about people of color or different ethnicities.
She says the law helps people get the pay they deserve, but employers can still be discerning.
The employer is still allowed to take into effect performance, skills, education, and experience.
Sloat says employers with more than 100 employees have to report to the state their wages and the wages of any contractors they use. She says that's a concern for local industries like agriculture.
The employers in agriculture need to be very careful about the labor contractors they use because they have to rely on them to get them all this data about ethnicity, race, gender, and the wages that the employer must report to the government.
Employers must also give current employees the salary ranges for their position. That allows workers to compare their rates.
I think there are going to be a lot of claims by employees against employers saying they're not being paid fairly.
Now, California's law defines the pay scale that employers will have to post as the range that they reasonably expect to offer. Experts say that can be vague, though, and leaves a lot up for interpretation by employers. SB 1162 takes effect on January 1st, 2023. Live in studio, I'm Jake Ingrassia, News Channel 3.